Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create a look just using what I got from my Ipsy bag. So I got it yesterday, and let me show you first what I got. So I got two face masks. I got this Tetris bag, and I got contour, and I got this highlighter. This is the highlighter. Next, it's this eyeshadow. So I got this one, it's in pink, and it's a mini lipstick. Since I only have one eyeshadow, I'm going to use this blush. So next I'm going to use the eyeshadow, and this is in Intense Stargums. And I'm just gonna use my finger to blend this out. I'm gonna use this brush just to kind of blend it out on the edges. I'm going to use it what it's meant for, as a blush. And I'll just kind of smile, just put it on the apples on my cheeks. For the eye corners, I'm going to use the highlighter. This is really pretty. And now I'm going to use the lipstick.